हेलो, दिस इज स्वाति मालविया।
हाय, आई एम सर्वेश।
सो आप अभी इस घर में जहाँ हमें देख रहे हो, दिस इज़ आवर न्यूली बॉट हाउस, जिसे हम लोगों ने डेकोरेट किया है इन कोलैबोरेशन विद वुड एंड कैंडी, एंड वी वांटेड टू शेयर आवर जर्नी विद यू ऑल ऑन हाउ एक्चुअली इट वेंट, एंड हमारे दिमाग में एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्या फीलिंग्स हैं वुड एंड कैंडी की तरफ, एंड हमें कितने अप्रिसिएशंस मिल रहे हैं इस पूरे कोलैबोरेशन को लेके। सो वुड यू लाइक टू स्टार्ट?
या एक्चुअली आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट, लेकिन सबसे मेन चीज़ जो मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा थी कि ये जर्नी हम लोगों ने किस तरीके से प्लान की, कितनी चीज़ें प्लान थी, कितनी चीज़ें अनप्लान थी, और उसमें कितना हेल्प हमें इन टर्म्स ऑफ कस्टमाइजेशन जो कि वुड एंड कैंडी से मिला। हमारे पास हमेशा से एक आइडिया था, वी ऑलवेज हैड दैट विजन ऑफ हाउ आवर हाउस शुड लुक लाइक, एंड हाउ वी गॉट इट इम्प्लीमेंट, दैट इज समथिंग टू रियली टॉक अबाउट।
या सो पहला प्रोसेस का पॉइंट ऑब्वियसली घर खोजने से होता है, बट आप जब घर लेते हो आपके दिमाग में कुछ आइडियाज़ हमेशा रहते हैं कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो, पर आप इस फील्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहते जहाँ पे आपको एक हेल्प और एक कोलैबोरेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। हमने ये घर लिया, दिस इज़ 2 BHK, एंड एज यूजुअल जैसे सभी घर होते हैं, इट वॉज इंटायरली एम्प्टी, वेरी बेसिक एमिनिटीज़, नथिंग एक्स्ट्रा। नाउ द होल पॉइंट वॉज कि हमें इस पूरे प्लेस को कोजी फील करना था, ऐसा फील करना था कि ओवरऑल वी शुड लव लिविंग हियर, एंड नॉट फॉर अ ईयर और 2 बट इन थ्रू आउट आवर इंटायर लाइफ। एंड वी हैव अ सन, ही इज़ अ स्मॉल किड, सो ऑब्वियसली हमारे दिमाग में ये भी था कि हमारे जितने भी डिज़ाइंस हो या जितने भी फर्नीचर्स हो वो किड फ्रेंडली भी रहें। सो आई थिंक हमारे दिमाग में 3-4 पॉइंट्स जो हमें नज़र आए वो थे कि 1 बजट, सेकेंड कस्टमाइजेशन जो हमें हमारे लिए चाहिए था, थर्ड help in implementing our own ideas, and the support that we actually need in those ideas, right?
फ्रैंकली हम लोगों ने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि हमें सारी सपोर्ट एक जगह मिल जाएगी, बिकॉज वी हैव स्पोकन टू लॉट ऑफ इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स, we don't want to take any names, but yes, there are many players as everybody knows. So we spoken to them, हम लोगों ने उनका कोटेशंस देखे, उनके कोटेशंस बहुत अच्छे थे, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम जो हमेशा आती है वो एक होता है कि आपका कस्टमाइजेशन का लेवल कितना है, आपका बजट आपके पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है कि नहीं है, एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज वेदर हाउ मच रिस्पेक्ट डू दे रियली गिव टू योर ओन आइडियाज, जो इस केस में मेरे ख्याल से हमें काफ़ी मिला।
या एंड रीयूजिंग थिंग्स दैट वी ऑलरेडी हैड, so my inclination was really towards interior designing. In a similar way, I am very fond of art, so I obviously have a lot of pieces in my house, in my rented house, that I really wanted to use, right? So we contacted Wood and Candy, and हमें Google से मिला उसका reference, उनका review पढ़ा, it was really nice, and that is when we decided कि हमें उनके पास जाके एक बार visit करना चाहिए।
और हम लोग को ये पता नहीं था like they would be providing one stop solution to all
yes.
things.
It was more like कि हमें स्टार्टिंग में सिर्फ इस चीज़ पे जाना था कि हमें फर्नीचर कहीं अच्छे से मिल जाए, एंड जब हम उनके स्टोर पे गए, द क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क दैट दे हैड, the various combinations they had regarding their शीशम wood, teak wood, या आप कोई भी wood बोलो, they do all kind of work, be it ply, be it laminations, everything, they do everything. We were really happy with the work, kind of furnitures that were there, and the confidence that they gave us in ensuring that हमारा सारा end to end work will be done by them. So ideas will be ours, executions will be theirs, and I can 100% say this, they were really supportive. They actually helped us entirely, be it even smallest minute things that were there, like paint and other stuff, right?
Even if you want to put a single nail that is like the least one that you expect, तो वो भी हम लोग को मिला, right? Setting up a very cozy balcony that you will be seeing in this video, and then small things that we actually purchased from outside, so they never asked second question कि हम लोग ये करेंगे ये नहीं करेंगे. So this was something we always felt like at home with them. They were like friends to us, and effectively you can see the quality of the woodwork that they do. Along with it, I would say the humbleness, the sheer humbleness was something.
So I think हमारे पहले conversation पे हम लोगों ने इतना बात किया था कि हमारी needs क्या है, and then we got the estimates and other thing. Everything was like it fell into our budget, and they respected the fact कि हमारे पास खुद के ideas हैं. They never interfered with those things कि नहीं ये ideas execute नहीं हो पाएंगे, या let's say कि यहाँ पे road block है. They helped us with everything they could, and on top of that I think हमारी जितनी रिसर्च हमारे एंड से लगी वो द इंटीरियर, आई थिंक दे हेल्प्ड अस इन रिसर्चिंग थरोली together, right?
Actually, I remember how much time we spent on selection of the fabrics.
Yeah.
So it
I
was
know.
like 5 or 10 times they reached our house.
Yes.
Taking all this big catalogs and everything with them. उतने सारे कैटलॉग लेके आना एंड देन उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करवाना, फिर क्वालिटी को इंश्योर करना. उन्होंने 3-4 बार उन्होंने लैमिनेट्स दिखाए कि ये कलर का कॉम्बिनेशन जाएगा, 3D व्यूज. सो द एंटायर प्रोसेस वाज सो, आई वुड से, हेक्टिक बट येट स्मूथ.
Yeah. And this was our dream project. So we had everything in our head. Color combination, like it has to be white, blue and grey, right? If it is shisham wood, then bedroom should be of such a shade with the laminates कि वो proper match होने चाहिए, right? And the kind of variety they have, be it in the terms of fabric, be it in terms of laminates, I think it is awesome. They have all kinds of variety, and it really helped us because I know it required at least 10 to 15 sessions, discussions, if like an hour or two every time.
I remember those late night discussions that we used to have.
Yeah.
रात में 12 बजे बात करना, 1 बजे बात करना, and we were talking about things that they might have not done previously, but they were never afraid to really take that work up.
Yeah.
Mirror work and all, so they actually ventured in each and everything जो भी हमने उनसे पूछा आज तक.
Yeah, and I think because of their help, each part of our home has a personal touch. Be it the mirror work in the dining area, be it the bookshelf in the hall, accent wall, or anything, right? It all has a personal touch, and we are really happy and proud that we actually had our association with Wood and Candy, the kind of work they did, and they ensured that people like me who are aspiring towards doing something in the interior designing but do not have that kind of confidence initially,
I
because
won't say confidence, you'll have confidence.
Yeah,
the only
but
thing is opportunity is something,
Right.
or taking schedule out of our busy lives.
Yeah.
So that's
so
something
working in
that we-
IT, both of us always had things in our head, but we never had that platform where we can actually do it, and that's why this house became our dream project. And Wood and Candy has totally helped us. I would say they have gone above and beyond to ensure that whatever we wanted was done, be it through our thorough research, their resourcing, our ideas, their implementations. I think this all combination was something which was excellent, and what we have produced right now is awesome, because I know हमारे घर वाले जब देखते हैं, हमारे फ्रेंड्स जब देखते हैं इस घर को, everyone is mesmerized and they keep asking कि फर्नीचर का वर्क कहाँ से कराया, आइडियाज कहाँ से आए, and we are proud to say that we had association with Wood and Candy, and this project has become a plus point for us where we can also showcase that yes, we had some ideas, how well we have executed that, and what kind of in-depth knowledge we have actually about the house and its interior design, right?
Absolutely. So आपका एक घर छोटा है, आपको उसमें स्पेस निकालनी है, आपको उसको सुंदर भी बनाना है, आपको ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट आपके पास मटेरियल सबसे अच्छा होना चाहिए. ये सब चीज़ें जब आपको मिलती हैं तो आई थिंक सो यू विल गेट a lot
And
of
that too, I think, in the right
positive.
budget.
Yes.
Yeah.
Budget is something that I'm really happy with. So because being somewhere on the position जो सिर्फ procurement पे ही काम कर रहा था शुरुआत से, I know
Right.
budget was something that I always had my eyes on. And trust me, I don't want to reveal numbers and other things, but yes, trust me, this is something that we got in comparison to others at
Right.
I think so, very less cost.
And actually, I don't want to even compare,
Yes.
because
Yeah.
this whole entire memory and the entire journey is incomparable. The output is incomparable. This is a paradise for us, and it's like we're living in this paradise. And this has been something which has been possible only with the association and collaboration that we have received from Wood and Candy. And obviously, even a smallest piece of furniture plays a great role in the interior design. How it has been placed, how intelligently it has been measured, whether it needs to be something which is tech savvy, like for example, let's say whether it should be foldable to actually give a lot of space, or it should be something which should be sturdy and should be kept,
Should be
or have a
traditional.
heavy look. Yeah.
Even the kind of finish that they have provided, be it mahogany, then multiple shades of honey that you get
Yes,
in wood. So
yes.
we never knew those things, but
Yeah.
right now I think so we know pretty much all of the things about wood, and again thanks to them because they explained each and everything very clearly. They always kept their promise in terms of delivery, in
Yeah.
terms of providing the right thing, and even if we had any problems, they got it sorted like in no time. So मैं तो काफ़ी खुश हुआ ये सब पूरे implementation से.
Yeah. And at the end, I think what we want to convey here is, if you have thoughts in your head and if you need a one-stop solution, and you want that kind of confidence कि आप शीशम में invest कर रहे हो, let's say, and you're shelling out so much of money in heavy pieces like शीशम, and you want that confidence कि ये कौन कर सकता है, so we know the people who can do it, and that is what we have been speaking about. So you can surely reach out to Wood and Candy for getting these kind of services wherein they are really reliable, and we have really personal touch with them now because of the entire 2 months of journey. This is the kind of response they have towards their customers. They are always there for a call, and I would say at the end of the day you'll end up being friends with them because they are so nice and so friendly. It's not at all like they have to be really professional all the time, but they would sit and talk to you about everything. So I think at the end, this is the gist of everything, right? That we're really happy.
Recommendation is something that's a small word for it.
Yeah.
I would say if you're planning your interiors, आप अपना plan कर रहे हो, अपना budget उसमें डाल रहे हो, then you should actually associate with someone who really understands you. So I think so yes, Wood and Candy understands us, and जो एक आपको बाद में एक feedback मिलता है that your house is actually very positive when we enter. So that is something that we've always wanted to look for, and I think so Wood and Candy has provided us.
And they have made our dream come true.
Thanks.
Thank you.